Many customers are unaware of the intricate process involved in producing spout pouches, aside from the manufacturers. Here, we will skip the initial processes of spout pouch production, such as printing, lamination, and slitting, and focus on the later stages of production from the perspective of a spout pouch manufacturer. That is how to make spout pouch during pouch making and spout sealing process. Bag making. 1. Choosing a bag making machine. Specialized bag making machines for spout pouches come in two types, and the specific choice depends on the type of bags required, whether bottom gusset is needed information, and the size of the bags. We have 20 of these machines, ensuring timely completion of customer orders. 2. Choosing molds. Unlike regular bags, spout pouches require specific molds to be installed on the bag-making machine to produce bags that meet specific size, type of spout pouch, and spout bag shape requirements. Our mold warehouse has thousands of specific molds to meet various size and shape requirements from customers. Spout sealing. 1. Choosing a sealing machine. Specialized sealing machines for spout pouches come in two types, semi-automatic style and fully automatic style. Typically, we use semi-automatic style for sealing spouts with a diameter larger than 10 mm, and fully automatic style machines for spouts with a diameter of 10 mm or less. 2. Choosing molds. Similar to the bag-making process, spout sealing also requires specific molds to be installed on the machine, whether semi-automatic or fully automatic. Our mold warehouse has almost all popular sealing molds, catering to a wide range of customer requirements. In conclusion, the production process for spout pouches involves careful consideration of machine selection and mold choice to ensure the production of high-quality pouches that meet customer specifications. As the demand for spout pouches continues to grow, it is important for both manufacturers and customers to understand how to make spout pouch and the attention to detail required to produce these innovative packaging solutions.